Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. My name is Eva Carranza. I serve as a Master Clothing Volunteer President. Today, Ms. Dori, an MCV member for over 15 years, will teach us how to make an apron. The supplies you will need are 1 yard of fabric, which MCV members will be provided, and 1 yard of contrast fabric. Optional notions are bias, rickrack, or lace. Now, let's welcome Miss Dori Perez.
Hi, I'm Dori, and today I'm going to teach you how to make this really simple apron. And the band just goes around your neck, and then it has a casing here. And also, it can be made smaller one. Really simple. This bottom part can even be a tea towel for the child's size. We're going to provide the material here, the extension, and also we're going to provide the pattern. This one is for the large size and the child's, and you need to tape it here, and that way it can be small, medium, or large, and the child size can be small, medium, and large. So we're gonna have fun. Okay, so you can make it out of today we're gonna make it out of blue jean material. And we're gonna put the contrast, the big pocket on the bottom and the pocket on top. And then we're gonna put separate the pocket with this rickrack, and the straps are gonna be red. So, the red really makes it come alive. So, see, the good thing about this pattern is that we're gonna give you the top part, and then you can add whatever you want depending on what size. If you're tall or short, you can measure the pockets where you want them longer or here, so that you can reach in easily. That's a good thing. So I got a paper, and I added like 13 inches from the pattern. So this is the length it's gonna be. It's, it has the pockets here. Okay, let's get started. I already cut the pattern. I'm gonna use this blue jean one. And the first thing we're gonna do is we cut the pocket. Guess what size is this? 8.5 by 11, a regular sheet of paper. So we're gonna turn right sides together, and we're gonna go so all like this, and then we're gonna leave a space so we can turn it around, and then we can put the pocket, okay? So see, this is a directional material, so we don't want to put it upside down, so we have to be careful and put it the right side. We're gonna cut the top band, so in order so that the little rooster can come out all even, we're gonna make it a little bit thick. We always try to sew 5/8. And then we're gonna flip it over like this. You can go ahead and iron it so it can be flat. So the next step is the pocket. Okay, let's figure out where the center is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this in half. And we're gonna fold this in half also. And we'll put a little pin here. Okay, let's sew the pocket. Okay, the pocket's done. Now we need the bottom pocket. This is the bottom pocket. So we're gonna get this rack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew the top stitch here, and then when we fold it, only that part's gonna show. Okay, then we're just gonna fold it like that. Okay, so this is gonna be the full length of the bottom part. So then we're gonna pin it. And then the hem's gonna go here, like that. Okay, since I already did the rack, so now we just place it on the end, and we're gonna see where we're gonna put where we're gonna sew the pockets. So the middle is right here, the center is right here. So one is going to go here. So I'm gonna use this friction pen, which after I iron, it's gonna disappear. So right in the center's one. And then we divided it. Right here is another one. And then another one's right here. Next thing is the facings. The one goes like that, and the other one goes like this. Like this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the little hem on the side, like that. All the way around. And this one we're gonna need to change the thread to red. And then we're gonna, on the top, we're gonna fold it also and do a little hem. And then we're gonna sew it like, because when we flip it over, the strap is gonna go in through here, okay? So that way it has to be sewed like that. We're gonna sew the end on the other side too. Exactly how we did on the top, we're gonna do on the bottom too. We're gonna sew all like that. And then afterwards, we're gonna sew the 5/8, okay? So let's get the facings ready. Make the little fold on top. So yeah, it's nice to change thread so it can look, professional. Okay, let's do the sides first. We're gonna fold it all around and do this all around, okay? Wow, isn't that nice? The 4 pockets. Now we're ready for the facings. Right sides together. We do this little piece. Okay, right there. I'm gonna pin it. Make sure the top is even. Wait, a little bit down. Okay, no, so that the red one will come out. Right there. I'm going to make the little cuts here. So when we flip it over, it can stay nice and flat on both sides. Now we're going to put pins. Okay, I'm gonna sew it on the top so that I can make sure that it's straight. So now I'm gonna cut the straps. So there are 3 exactly the same length. The length is 36 by 4. So we're gonna connect the 3 like this, and then we're gonna sew the straps. Okay, then right sides together, all around. Right sides together. And of course, we're gonna leave a little opening so we can turn it around. I leave the opening here right close to the where I'm going to flip it over. It's really, really long. Look at that. So now I'm going to look for the opening that I left, and right here. And I'm going to turn it around using a safety pin. We sew the straps, we flip it over. Don't forget to top stitch. And then we place the safety pin on the end. And the magic. We start here. We're gonna do magic here. Pretty nice. You can lower it. Pretty good. I tie my bows back. Okay, this is the adult size, and then this is the child size. The child size is real easy because we're gonna give you the pattern for the top part. So we just put the little strap and then a D-ring, and then the ribbon. You put a little pocket just like this with a rickrack if you want to decorate it out. And the good thing is you can put the child's initial, you can embroider it if you have an embroidery machine, or you can just cut the letter out and put that wonder under, iron it, and then stitch all around it. And I hope you enjoyed this and have fun sewing. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Perez. Now be sure to like our Facebook page and follow our YouTube channel. See you next Tuesday.